Today, I was called to inspect a pool that looked perfectly fine from the outside, but within the first minute, I noticed something that shouldn't have been there. And what made this job even more interesting, I wasn't allowed to reveal who owned this pool until the very end. So while I'm testing the water, see if you can figure it out before I do, because this pool belongs to someone you've probably heard of. At first glance, the water looks clean. Most people would look at this and think everything is fine, but here's something most pool owners don't know. Over 80% of pool problems start before the water actually changes color, which means a pool can look perfect, while the chemistry is already completely out of balance. So let's see what's really happening here. The first thing I always check is chlorine, because chlorine is what protects the water from bacteria, algae, and contamination. And here's a question. Do you think the chlorine level is too high, too low, or exactly where it should be? Take a guess before we get the result, because honestly, I wasn't expecting what I saw next. Look at this. That's not where I wanted it to be, and here's why that's important. When chlorine levels fall outside the recommended range, problems can start developing long before they're visible. That's why professional pool maintenance is mostly about prevention, not. And just when I thought I had everything under control, this happened.
Hey, I'm tripping, I'm sliding, I'm riding through the back like must have on a beat, bro. Deep he a freak though, man.
Apparently, I'm not the only one interested in this pool today, and honestly, he might be the most excited one here. But while he's having fun, I'm still trying to solve a problem that most pool owners would never notice. And trust me, the next test result is where things start getting really interesting. Now let's check the pH, and this is where things get interesting, because even if chlorine is perfect, the pool can still have serious issues if the pH isn't balanced. In fact, what many people keep adding more chemicals when the real problem is pH, and that's exactly why we're testing everything before making any decisions. While we wait for the result, let me tell you something interesting. The owner of this pool takes fitness extremely seriously. That's your first clue. The second clue is that his mom recently flew to him. And trust me, once I reveal who this pool belongs to, everything will make sense. But first, let's find out if the water is actually safe. Now we have enough information to start building a plan. And this is where most people make a mistake. They see a number they don't like and immediately throw chemicals into the water. But every chemical affects something else, which means fixing one issue can accidentally create another. So instead of guessing, we're going step by step. This is the treatment stage, and if you've ever wondered why some pools stay crystal clear year-round, this is the reason. Consistency. Not magic chemicals, not expensive equipment, just understanding what the water is telling you. And right now, the water is telling us exactly what it needs. But here's the part nobody talks about. Adding chemicals isn't actually the hardest part. The hardest part is knowing whether your diagnosis was correct, because if you misread the water, everything you do afterward is basically a guess, and guesses get expensive. Well, I think we just got our first approval. He jumped in without hesitation. But before anyone else follows him, I still need to know one thing. Is this water actually balanced? Because it may look crystal clear right now, but appearances can be very deceiving. Let's run one more check. Here's something most pool owners don't know. You can spend hundreds of dollars on chemicals and still end up with a green pool. Sounds impossible, right? But if the chemistry isn't balanced correctly, those chemicals become far less effective. That's why before adding anything, I want to know exactly what the water is telling me, because one small reading can completely change the treatment plan. Now comes the part that requires the most patience, letting the pump do its job. You can't just dump chemicals in a pool and expect an instant miracle. The water needs time to circulate, mix, and reach a true state of equilibrium. While the system is running, I always take a walk around the perimeter to check the skimmer basket. Ensure the filtration system isn't under any unnecessary stress. In this line of work, rushing is your worst enemy. A hasty decision or a miscalculated dose can turn a mildly unbalanced pool into a cloudy, unusable mess overnight. Which brings us back to that clue I gave you earlier. This isn't just any regular backyard pool. The person who trains here pushes their body to the absolute limit day in and day out, meaning this water has to be pristine to support their recovery. If the chemistry is even slightly off, it doesn't just look bad. It actively hinders an elite athlete's routine. At this point, the treatment is done. The water is moving. Everything is circulating. But we still haven't answered the biggest question. Who owns this pool? Let's review the clues. Professional athlete, extremely disciplined, takes performance seriously, and spends a lot of time recovering and training. And there it is. The water is balanced. The chemistry is where it should be. The pool is ready to use. And now I can finally tell you who owns it. This pool belongs to Vozinha, professional football goalkeeper. And what's funny is that most people watching probably spent the entire video trying to figure that out. If you guessed it before the reveal, you did better than I expected.